Location: lot in the heart of Cornelius, next to the Peninsula Subdivision. Permitted dock, ramp, beach area west/beautiful deck perfect for entertainment. Private cove west/deep water, 10 to 15 feet, open water and seasonal golf course views. Seller to credit buyer $25,000 for demolition to clear lot. Currently, there is a finished basement. Sellers willing to share plans for contemporary lake home to replace main floor. Property includes 1/7 part ownership on parcel 00108503, which is in the back of the lot to the shore/green area across the cove. No HOA and no building restrictions. Connected to city water and city sewer. Current home grandfather to be 30 feet from lake. 200 square feet cottage great for guest. HOA is voluntary. It includes access to 1.1 acre Diane Shores Community Lake lot, which has a beach and open area west/picnic tables, kayak area and paddle board storage rack. 2 jet ski ramps.